Air conditioners are an essential part of modern homes, keeping us cool and comfortable all year round. However, when the heat mode doesn't work, it can be a frustrating experience. If you're having trouble with your air conditioner's heat mode, there are a few things you can do to troubleshoot the issue. This video will guide you through some simple steps to help diagnose and fix the problem. First, make sure that your air conditioner is properly connected to a power source. If it's not, you'll need to fix that first before proceeding. Next, check the settings on your thermostat to ensure that it's set to the right mode. If it's set to cool instead of heat, this could be the reason why the heat mode isn't working. Whether you're a homeowner, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone looking to save money on AC repair, this video has something for you. So, grab your tools and let's get started.